subject, concrete structures, chapter, pre-stressed concrete, topic, numerical number 2 on losses in pre-stressed concrete. So students, now let us solve another numerical number 2 on the same topic, that is the losses in pre-stressed concrete. The numerical is a beam is pre-stressed by a cable carrying an initial stress of 500 Newton per mm square. That is the initial stress which the cable is carrying, right? Or the tendon is carrying. The percentage loss of pre-stress due to shrinkage of concrete, this is important, due to shrinkage of concrete in a post-tension member, not pre-tension, in a post-tension member beam at the end of 7 days would be. So I told you that in case of our shrinkage, first of all we determine the strain and then multiply the strain with the modulus of elasticity to get delta sigma, right? So first of all, the shrinkage strain in case of our post-tension members is given by 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 divided by log base 10 t plus 2, where t is in days, right? So days is 7 days. So let me first of all calculate the shrinkage strain. It will come out to be 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 divided by log base 7 days and plus 2. But it should not be greater than 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. If this value comes out to be greater than 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 4, then this value will be taken as the final shrinkage strain. So let me calculate how much it is coming. So it comes out to be 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 divided by log 9. It comes out to be 2.095 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. It comes out to be 2.095 into 10 raised to the power minus 4, which is not greater than 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So I have got the strain. I have to multiply the strain. Now to get the loss, to get delta P, I have to, you can say loss due to shrinkage. It will be equal to 2. Let me write it like this: epsilon shrinkage into E. So how much is E? Yeah, E value is given to me at 200 kilonewton per mm square, right? It will be equal to 2.095 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 into, this is kilonewton. So I have to convert it in Newton, right? So 200 into 1000 Newton per mm square. So let me multiply it with into 200 into 1000. It comes out to be 41.91, right? It comes out to be 41.91 kilonewton is the loss due to shrinkage. So this is the loss due to shrinkage. How much percentage? So initially I was applying 500 Newton per mm square. How much percent is this? So percentage loss will be equal to 41.91 divided by 500 into 100. So let me divide it with 5. The loss comes out to be 8.38%. I hope everybody is getting the same answer. So the loss is 8.38 corrected up to 2 decimal places. 8.38 is the correct answer. So I hope that you have understood this numerical number 2. Now let's move forward and solve one more numerical on the same topic, the losses in pre-stressed concrete. Thank you.